Hi all, I had a question over how to input the fractional exponents over this problem in section P.5. Uh, you'll see that we are supposed to factor using greatest common factor in this expression. So if we have x to the 6 over 8 minus x to the 1 over 8 power, we know the greatest common factor between those is the smaller exponent, which in this case is the 1/8 power. So I'll factor out the x to the 1 over 8. And the way that you're going to have to do that is you'll use the raise power button. And then instead of just doing 1 divided by 8 on your keyboard, I believe you need to use their fraction button here for the fractional exponents. Even though theirs appears diagonal, I don't think it's going to accept your answer if you try to enter it in that way. So you'll need to do x to the 1 over 8 power like that. I'll arrow out of that fractional exponent. Then I'll open up a parenthesis for the remaining portion. I know when I factor the 1/8 power out, I subtract exponent 6 over 8 minus 1 over 8 is 5 over 8. So I'll say x and then raised. I use the fraction button, 5 over 8 power. And then I'll have minus. Of course, when you factor x to the 1 over 8 out of itself, you're just left with a 1. So x to the 5 over 8 minus 1. Close out parentheses. That should be precisely what they want. Check answer. Yes. Now, I wanted to mention this because some students were having difficulty with how to input the fractional exponents on there. It wasn't that they didn't understand the problem, but please do keep in mind it's wanting you to use the fraction key there in order to input those fractional exponents. Hope that helps.